Now, there is a code word, quote unquote, on how to write this. So the way to go to desktop, I told you C directory or drive, really. I don't want to call it C directory, C drive. So C drive. Underneath the C drive, you have a folder called users. Underneath that users, you have your computer name. Mine's called user. And underneath that, you have different files. Desktop, my documents. So if you have a document that you've done, like a Word file, you will save it more likely under my documents, or you can save it on your desktop. It doesn't matter. And you say this call this vic.docx, which is a Word document file. So this Vic is underneath the Word documents folder. So this Vic is a child of this folder. So anyway, so the way that you write this is, like I said, you have your C drive, your users, which is called all user, then user, and then you have a desktop, videos, my documents, downloads, or music. So the correct way to write this is like this. So you would have C drive, then after that, this is a C colon. Then after that, you would have a forward slash that's just like that. This forward slash is right near the shift button on the bottom right of your computer. It's near the shift button on the bottom right of your computer. So if you need to pull up, let me see a computer keyboard. It is this button right here, the button right next to the shift key. So if you click that, it's there. So C, then it will go users. And keep in mind that it is case sensitive. That means that the capital is very, very important to follow. So if it's, so let's go to C. Matter of fact, let's do it easier way. It's PC, C. So if you see users, if that user is capital, then follow that, model. So C users, where was this folder? All right, so C users, so that is that folder, and then another slash, and that one was called user. Remember, C users, and then user. So user is a child folder of that. So anytime this slash is here, this slash represents a new child folder coming in. So underneath this user, you put another slash, which represents another child folder that is coming. Remember I told you what was the child folder of user? Is desktop, videos, my documents, and some other things that were there. So let's go to desktop. All right. So now this is the desktop. This is the correct way to show that we are now in the desktop folder. Let's say, for example, we can see this, all this graphic on here. And how do you go to the desktop folder? You will go to here. And the way that you see that is, drum roll please. One way you can go there is if you go to this PC or this computer, you can see a drive here. However, this has favorites right here on the left side, and you can see that it has certain favorites that you can automatically go. So let's go to C. What did I say? C. Then this slash, which means a child folder is about to come. So C users was users, and then user, and then desktop. All right. And if you see up here, it's a little secret. If you see up here, if you click right next to there, if you double click right next to there, it changes. And what did it change to? C users, user, desktop. And forgive me because I had the wrong slash. The slash is actually supposed to be the correct slash to put in. Sorry about that. See, sometimes I have to fact check myself. So this is how you go into the desktop. And if you click on the side, you will see users, user, desktop. And this is everything that is in that folder. If you click away from there, you see that again. This is just an easy way to go there.